Hello, and on this quick video I'll show you 5 quick tips to improve your website and pages in general to get more leads, to get more sales for your business. So the first thing is about the headlines and how to capture people's attention. So by somebody coming into your website or into your pages in general, they have around 5 to 10 seconds to decide if they want to keep on scrolling and see more information or click on somewhere. So you need to be very focused on that specifically first section. So talk about the benefits of somebody using your services and have it really really well written and straight to the point, simple. Keep it simple, not too complex. Like in this case, we have a yoga studio, and the idea of this headline is not to be like yoga courses for somebody, but this headline, the idea is that we give some of the benefits. So when most people are looking to start a yoga, maybe they're basically your business best, but in this case probably they want to be more flexible, to lose pain, or to just look pretty. So have it that in the title. It will be a lot better because the customer will see, all right, I'm looking for to do this, and that's how this service, this website will show me how to do these things. And then you can have a supporting headline about more specific about what they'll have with you, how you can help them in that specific task. So you can have different headlines throughout your pages supporting different sections and things that you want to portray and show to the customers, to the visitors of your pages. The tip number 2 would be call to actions. So make sure that your call to actions, in this case buttons, in most cases will be the buttons, they have to be very prominent, vibrant, and big. So in this case we might want to increase the size of this button, so we can just go into the styling and change the font size to be bigger. So to focus on that, we can also add this icon if you wanted to have something of that, or like an arrow. You can just go here and switch the icon to something else that you might feel it's better need. So the idea here is that our call to actions are very clear, and we have them throughout our design, and be consistent. So have always the same call to action design and feel throughout your pages. So in this case, we have enroll now for our courses. You might have another call to action in your header. You might have something as a call as well. And for example, if your idea in this page is not people to sign up for a form or something like that, but to just call you, well, first of all, you can change this to call now and link to your phone number. So you're just going to the settings of the link and just type in your phone number. So whoever clicks on it will just call. You can do that again in your header. You can change the button here as well to be call now, and again link to a phone number. This way, people, when they try to take an action, they'll always lead to calling you, which is what you want. If it is about getting to a form, you just link to a contact page, like in this case to a booking form, where they can submit their information. Okay, what is the number 3 tip? Talk about benefits. Like I said, in the headlines and capturing people's attention, talk about the benefits. So do it here. You can have a section about the benefits. You can also do it in a video. Video is a great way to show different things to the customers in a very compact way. So instead of them browsing the whole website, you can summarize in like 30-second video about the benefits of using the service. So this is a great way. In this case, we have a few benefits like written here. You can obviously type in whatever you want about the different benefits, add some images if you want, about the key things that people would benefit from using your service or product. So if you want to change this, you can maybe add a video. So you can click on add block, and if you go to the video section, you have different video options that you might want to add, like I said, like a video explaining the benefits of using your service. And with just one click, you've added this new section, and you can have your video uploaded here and just replace it, this section, with that. So this is how you can show your benefits. Another great thing to convert more people when they're visiting a specific page and you're explaining your service is testimonials. Testimonials and case studies, they just basically are social proof of people already using your product and services and are happy and are satisfied with what you provide. So in this case, we have one testimonial, but if you want to add more, here is a few examples of such. when you add a new block, when you go to the theme and testimonials, you can see different ways of portraying information on your page. These are just pre-made designs that you don't have to spend time in creating. They're already there. So let's say that you want to do something like this. You just add it into your page, and all you have to do is change the background to fit your theme, and just start editing what other people have said, and this way you can have more social proof and people who are using your services. Great way is always if you have testimonials with video. That's basically the perfect way, because that just shows an actual person talking about your business and services. So yeah, that's a great way. And when it comes to a website, what are the important parts of a website to also get more more leads, more sales, and so on? When it comes to website, the navigation is really important. So in top of your website and in the bottom of your website, the navigation is really key, because that helps a visitor to find the information they're looking for. So make sure that everything is very clear, straight to what are the most important parts at the top when a person visits your website, and have some call to action. Again, book an appointment, giving a call if your location is important for your business. It's also nice to include it into your header. You can obviously fully customize the header, and we have a whole video about that. But yeah, it's really easy. By clicking on the plus icon, you can add any type of button, menu, text, social media, search, whatever you wish. So yeah, these are the 5 things that help basically your business and your pages to convert more. So these are the headlines, and make sure that you have benefits in them, but be very clear, because you have very little time to capture the customer's attention in order for them to keep scrolling and finding more about your service and product. Call to actions, make sure that they are very prominent, they are consistent, and that they go directly to where you want them to go. Talk about the benefits. So have a section about the benefits, or generally throughout your pages, talk about the benefits of using your service, because when a person is looking for a solution, they're not just looking for a product, they're looking for the actual benefits of using that product. So they're buying the benefits, they're not really buying the product for the product's sake, they're buying it for the benefits of it. Then is obviously social proof, testimonials of happy customers using your service and products, very key. And then is the navigation. Obviously you can add different things to your pages, whatever you feel like, but these are the keys one. And of course the navigation, very important when you're building a website, to have really clear navigation so people can find the information, and to be very simple and easy for them to do the call to action and get to the point where you want them to go. We have another video about funnels, and specifically how to build amazing lead generation funnel and different steps and sections of that type of a funnel. Then sales funnel if you're doing sales specifically. So we have different videos for different types of usage, but in this case generally these are the things that are very important, and it will be great if you can follow them, because they will have an amazing impact on your business and how you convert your visitors.